Hi, everybody, and welcome to the Sociology course. You've gotten it through the first weekend, and now we're ready to engage the first topic of the course. But before we do that, a few little prerequisites here that you need to be considering. Number one, this is a fully asynchronous course. What that means is that you'll be using all materials online and working independently. There's no group collaborative organized sessions online, nor Zoom sessions, nor WebEx or any other type. So what you need to do is focus this now that I need to get this done myself. With that in mind, I'm your facilitator, your coach, your professor, your grader, to help you along in this process. So what you'll be doing is each week you will be reading articles. You'll be in your textbook, watching videos from time to time, and then post your responses to the discussion board every week. There's a weekly posting that's worth 2 points that you must do. That's the way we record attendance in this course, so you are active in the course, and that's what the university requires. On top of these weekly postings, which take up the bulk, about 40 to 60% of your grade, are the midterm and final. They will be delivered electronically in the blackboard as a timed test. There are also some written assignments for you to do over and above your regular weekly postings. What you need to think about is in this terms. I'm not going into a classroom on the university campus. I'm going into a classroom on my Blackboard site, and I need to give at least 3 hours every week to replace the class time. So that's the type of postings I'm expecting, that it shows that you've done reading, that it shows you've done your homework for like you would do for a regular class, and that you've done your background work. So one sentence and simple little paragraphs, blow off kind of postings won't cut it. You're going to need to engage it to that kind of level. So just think in those terms. Now, what about my office hours? They will be on Mondays and Wednesday mornings from 8 to 9:30 via live email. What does this mean? It's sort of like a chat room. There is a link in your course tools and or in the left margin where you can email me directly your questions, and because I'll be monitoring it live during that 1.5 hour period, you'll get a response almost like a chat. I will not give you my phone number nor text back and forth with you. So if you have questions about the course or things, focus it to those times. Now, that doesn't mean I don't answer anything any other time. If you have other queries along the way, I'm certainly going to be very active in looking at my emails as they come and go. But I understand I have well over 160 students this semester. So it might not be instantaneously that you get a response, but certainly within 24 to 48 hours. There is also a question and answer Blackboard discussion forum where you can post questions you might have about the course or something, and it's really an open forum for all students. It's a public place really for you to interact with one another about course materials or something that you're confused about that I may not be able to get back to you on right away. I also will be monitoring, of course, this course question and answer type from time to time. All right, so that's how you're going to keep in touch in the course. Keep tracking every week. Don't let it fall by the wayside. Weekly assignments on the discussion board. The big word, this is what's called asynchronous learning. For some of you, it's going to be unfamiliar territory. But really in the business world, this is what a lot of people are doing these days is I run my own business, I run it independently, and I do a lot of it online. So you're being initiated in this way. So I know for some of you it's going to be a bit uncomfortable, but embrace it. Use the avenues you have to ask questions and to interact. We're not leaving you out there alone, sitting at some desk like a forlorn person. But also embrace the ability that now you don't have to actually travel into class, and you don't have to block that specific time. You can work when the timing for the course works for you. Be that in the middle of the night, be that at a Starbucks in the morning, be that at your office, wherever it might be. You're in an asynchronous environment. This is one of the benefits, is that as long as you keep to the schedule of Mondays, we come online with a new topic, and on Sunday nights is when the weekly assignments are due. All right, got it. Welcome to the course. I'm going to be posting a tutorial about sociological perspective in a little bit. If you have any questions, get back to me. Have a great evening.